Good morning, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and everybody in your house is safe and healthy. I know this is kind of scary times. Well, you know what's scarier is that we only have 2 weeks left. It's crazy. All right, so hopefully you guys did the poem Fault in Our Stars. The poem Fault in Our Stars. The poem There's a Certain Slant of Light with annotations. I'm going to go over that. I'm going to make a little video for that so that you can see like basically what I was looking for there. I'm going to probably do the poetry by hand because it's hard for me to do on the computer because I like it printed out. So when I go over it, that's probably what's going to happen. And then today you guys are going to go over, there's 2 pieces you're going to go over, and one is page 111, chapter 7, Cassius's, there's a little tiny passage there that you're going to go over, and then Sonnet 55, page 112, chapter 7. Van Houten makes a reference to Sonnet 55. And then he also talks about Archibald MacLeish's not gilded nor marble monuments. And so we have to read Sonnet 55 in order to understand MacLeish's piece. Okay? I did not grade the Socratives yet, which, you know, whatever. We'll talk about those tomorrow in the Google Meets. And then, let's see. I think that's everything you need to know. You're doing the 2 poems today, and then for tomorrow, you guys are focusing on chapters 7 through 9. Why is it every single time I get to recording, I'm like, all of a sudden I have to yawn? So we're focusing on chapters 7 through 9 tomorrow. Let me make sure that's right. Yes, that is correct. You want to make sure you're caught up on that. 2 poems. Okay. There's annotation in there, and it tells you what to annotate. I made a new copy of it so that, there's 1 poem per page. So, I can't remember if I made a copy for everybody or not, but if you want that new copy, let me know. Okay. This week we're going to finish up with through chapter 15 or so, something like that. And we're going to go over a lot of the illusions, and we're going to talk about some stuff. And then next week we're going to finish up the novel. And guess what? I was told that I don't have to give a final exam. You really want a final exam, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, I know you do. We're not going to have a final exam. You will have an essay over The Fault in Our Stars, and you will have a big test over Fault in Our Stars because we're spending so much time on it. Okay? So that will be next week, and you'll be able to use your book, all that stuff. Okay? I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow on Google Meets.